Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today I'm showing you our 2022 Ford Explorer. Very nice shape, 50-some thousand miles. There you can see it got good tread on the tire. Wheels are in good shape. Come from it's a rental fleet originally. Leather seats, power driver seat, power passenger seat, 58,829. Has remote start, heated seats, heated steering wheel. There's your stereo system, all your Bluetooth and your stereo buttons. Of course, nice thing, these are 7 passengers. You got your battery and your 12 volts back there. There's your seating for the rear, and then they got rear heat and air. Got a little touch up right there, maybe, I believe that is. A couple chips, and it has a couple chips back here. There's your power hatch. Of course, your third seat will fold down. Light little scratch there for black. It's in very nice shape. A few lighter scratches. That's it. Owner's manual. I have floor mats coming for it, and then we'll get you another key. There'll be 2 keys. So 7-year 112,000 mile warranty, 7 years from when it went into production or when the odometer gets to 112,000 miles. Any questions? 605-692-7010.